Welcome back, guys. In this section, we are going to learn about clause number 5, which is about leadership and commitment. Leadership and commitment from top management is critical to the successful implementation of ISO 45001 within the organization. Leadership is not about titles and designation. It is about demonstrating important traits, and these traits can be demonstrated by implementing four subclauses of Clause 5, which are 5.1 Leadership and Commitment, 5.2 Occupational Health and Safety Policy Establishment, 5.3 Defining and Assigning Roles and Responsibilities, 5.4 Motivating the staff for consultation and participation. Let us look into each one of them separately and understand them more clearly.